Alright guys, so this is an experimental vlog which I'm doing. Perhaps my first daily vlog wherein I'm gonna show you how a normal day in my life is like. The reason I'm doing this one is because I wanted to check the new device which we've got. Now this video is gonna be entirely shot on an iPhone 12 Pro Max without the use of any mic. So I'm gonna be testing the camera as well as the mic, and I'm going to see whether it is sufficient and that whether we'll need any external device or not to shoot henceforth. So it's going to be an experimental one. This is the first time I'm trying out a daily vlog. Not very confident about it. I will be needing your feedbacks as to how the video is as well as how the audio etc. is. So I am kind of excited and nervous both. Let's see. So the first destination of the day for me is I'm going to be visiting all of our regular places today. So the first place where we're taking lunch is the Six Senses Park Street. You guys know about this place already because I've done a vlog, I've done a live, I've done everything from this place. I personally love the food over here. So it's in the neighborhood, it's a couple of minutes walk from my house and it is right here. So we are finally here with our first starter. It's the very famous fish ogre. It's betki. It's pretty soft, decently marinated. Halka thanda hoye gache because it was waiting while we were cleaning pictures, but still it tastes pretty good. Alright, so today we are here with the Mondol family for lunch. We have Utsuva moderator Meruka. Hi Meruka.
Hi guys.
We have Neetu. And we have a special guest, Anubhav. Are you a special guest?
Hello, hi.
He's
Hi.
a top fan now.
He's a top fan
Yeah,
now.
he's
so
a top fan.
So next item of the day is a tandoori wasabi prawn. I love the prawn items over here, but I wanted to experiment. So this is the third different type of prawn which I'm having on my third visit. So here it is. Although there's not much of a wasabi taste to this, but the tandoori bit, it's very smoky, very juicy, very creamy. I love this item. So the first thing which I've noticed on this particular phone is that whenever I'm shooting with the HDR camera, it's becoming a little dark. So this particular video which I'm shooting henceforth is going to be with the HDR mode switched off. So that's another change which I'm trying out. Again, you guys should let me know whether this is better or you find that the HDR version is better.
এই চশমাটা কি ফুরকানদার ওখান থেকে করা?
হ্যাঁ।
সি ফিলিংটাই ফুরকান্দা আসছে।
Yes, thank you Furkan for this one. এটা আমি খুবই skeptic bhabe pori because it's very funky. Doesn't go with a lot of attires, but today
This
since
looks
it is a very unprofessional, very informal kind of a vlog, so I thought I should experiment with this today. So we're going to be just picking up a little bit of it from me, avoiding the head part of course. I'll pick this one up. I like the fact that the skin is intact. It's giving an extra flavor to it. But you need to be very patient while ordering this because it's not a deboned fish. It has the bones intact as you can see over here. One of the main reasons why we chose Sixth Sense to do this particular vlog is because the lighting over here is pretty dark. So I wanted to check out how the camera works, the new camera works at a darker environment. Even when we are out for tonight, we're going to be going to a spot which has slightly dimmed lights, which is at Canteen. So I'm going to be doing the vlogs over here at Sixth Sense at Canteen to check out how the camera works during at a given place which is little dark. And in between, we're going to be going to have some ice creams at Isometry. Now that place is extremely bright, so we're going to be comparing the camera at both places. Canteen is going to be very crowded at night, so we'll check out how the mic works there. Not very sure we'll be able to do a lot of videos wherein I'm going to be talking much, because there's going to be a lot of music there. So I might have to use some voiceovers or a lot of pictures and videos and less of me talking. So I'm trying to make up for that by giving you a review of all the food which we're having over here. Meruka, how are you liking the food so far?
It's great. I love it. The bhetki was amazing. I loved it. The pizza is great. The cheese.
I
oh my
personally
God.
like the pizza over here.
Yeah, it's very nice.
cheesy.
It's very nice.
What about you, Neetu?
Awesome. The food over here is great.
The final dish of the day, which is a fish magnin. So basically this is a fillet of fish with the stuffing of cheese sauce, and you also have a side of parsley potato as well as sorted vegetables. So I'm going to cut this. This is what it looks like inside. Wow. We've had a lot of fish items today, fish and prawns. All the fish items over here are very fresh, very different. So, we're done with our lunch now at the Sixth Sense, and we're going to be headed out towards Isometry to try out some tipsy, boozy ice creams. So our car is going to be here any time. We're going to be headed off from Park Street to Sharad Bose Road for our next destination. And that is our car. 2951. Right, so we've had a slight change of plans. We booked an Uber, but our Uber driver refused to turn on the AC, saying that he said that it's not working, but I'm sure it is. So that's one trend which I'm noticing. Most of the Uber drivers are refusing to turn the AC on, citing reasons of the COVID, of course. But there's no such rules anymore. Of course, the private cars have ACs going on, so they're trying to basically save up. But we tend to pay a lot extra when we are traveling via Uber or Ola, and it does not make sense paying premium rates when you are actually traveling without AC. You might as well then travel via a yellow taxi. I'll tell you what the rate of the yellow taxi is going to be. My estimated fare for Uber was 106. It was a Premier Uber. Even if it was normal, that was around 94 to 98. So I'll give you a comparison at the end. I'll let you know how much the fare comes. If there's no AC, it makes no difference whatsoever if you're traveling by Ola, Uber or a normal yellow taxi. So I think this is a much better option, especially during winters. If your Uber, Ola driver refuses to turn on the AC, you can cancel it and you can just shift to a normal yellow cab. That is our destination, and this is our bill, which is less, I think exactly half of what it was. If you add to this the extra penalty which I'm needing to pay, which is 28 for cancelling my Uber, it's still coming up to 80, which is still much less than what my Uber fare would be. Alright guys, so are we ready for some ice cream?
Yes, of course.
So Isometry is famous for its tipsy, boozy ice cream. So you have a lot of alcohol infused ice creams. Along with that, you have your normal softies, you have your soft cones, your swirls, your candy floss ice creams as well. So let's try all of them out.
Looking forward.
Hi, what's your name?
Showman Chaudhary from Red Red.
You guys are enjoying your ice cream over here?
Yeah.
And you all are members of Food Spa?
Yes.
Great. Good to see you guys. We are at Isometry and we have the first ice cream of the day. This is a beautiful snow cone Intolit, which is mint and chocolate mixture. Then this is a candy floss which you can just break open and you can eat. And that's the ice cream. So this ice cream is for 105. Adding on the toppings, it's going to come up to 125. So 20 rupees extra for the toppings. Alright, so the next item which we have is a mixed berry with a silver foil over here and a red wafer. Of course, this leaf doesn't have any taste, but the mixed berry tastes beautiful. All the flavors at Isometry are very subtle, so you won't find them to be bursting with a lot of flavors or having a lot of sugary sweetness. It's very mild. That's what I like about the ice creams over here. These are the next item. These are my favorite chocolate bonbons. These are priced at 25 rupees. You have alcoholic versions of them too, but I go for the non-alcoholic one. So this is a custard batter flavor. So I'm going to take a bite and show you what's inside. Shoot করছিস আমার লিপসে এখানে একটা সিলভার ফয়েল দেখা যাচ্ছে এটা দেখে আমাকে বলবি না তুই বুঝতে পারিনি বুঝতে পারছিস হাতে ক্যামেরা নেওয়া আছে ওর দেখা যাচ্ছে তো ওইভাবে শুট করে যাচ্ছে অন্ধের মতো Okay, so the penultimate item of the day is JD. So this is vanilla with Jack Daniel. Yes, it is an alcohol infused ice cream. Let's give it a try. This one is strong. The flavor of vanilla is very mild, but it has a good amount of Jack Daniels in it. Personally, since I don't drink, I do not like this ice cream a lot. But if you're a fan of alcohol, you are definitely going to love this one. Alright, so the final item of the day is called a Snow Peak. Now this has vanilla ice cream and oodles and oodles of chocolate chips, brownie, Oreo powder as well as Oreo biscuits, wafers and a lot of chocolate sauce on top. So it's a very chocolatey affair. I'm going to take a bite from this. That's too much for me. That's my bite. I think this is the one item which is there on all of Food Spa visits to Isometry. I don't know what is special about this, but this somehow lures us because it looks very picturesque. Perhaps that's one point. But this one is always there on our menu whenever we come. So this is one thing which you can end with. So guys, how did you all like the ice creams?
JD was the best.
Yeah, of course. Shita to bolbi. Why are you saying JD was the best? You should not have been given only.
I tasted it, but it was great.
Neetu, what about
Yes,
you?
JD
Koonta
was
bhal
the
lage?
best.
সবাই যেটি যেটি যেটি
No, I like the berry blast also.
The berry
Everything
blast tasted
was-
very nice, no?
Berry remains the best part, of course.
Fantastic. I'm glad you had a good time. চলো let's leave. আজকে আমরা গুনবো আমাদের কতবার ট্যাক্সি রিফিউজ করছে। It's a little experiment which we'll play. দাদা চায়না টাউন যাবে? মিটারে যাবে না? That's one. আরো হবে। দাদা চায়না টাউন যাবে? চায়না টাউন हाँ बैठे experiment failed guys, the second one only agreed. I think Meruka and company already moja pe gaye. We were supposed to book an Uber but suddenly Neetu suggested that we actually take a yellow taxi. So this is how our day has gone so far. The second stop is already done. Last stop is going to be canteen, but that's going to be dinner. So there's still around, I think, 2.5 hours left. So I'm going to be quickly going back home, resting a bit, maybe charging my phone a bit. I started the day off with 97% battery. Right now I have around 48%. So I think it's going to last the entire day. That includes a lot of shoots for videos, pictures, etc. So I think that's, yeah.
I have 28% battery and I left with 85. So
Wow.
I've switched off my internet.
So yeah, it's going pretty well. So I don't think I need to charge my phone. I won't charge my phone as an experiment. We'll see how long that lasts. But I think on night vision it's done pretty well. So full marks for that. So we are finally off to the final destination of the day. So we're going to be headed out towards Canteen at Salt Lake, and we are joined by some friends who are also very decked up. Excited about Canteen?
Yes.
Hungry?
Yes.
Right. So like I was saying, I might be taking a few wide angle shots as well in a darker area to check out how the camera works there. So that is okay. So this guy, যেটা তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ, নাম কি তোমার? গোপাল is an amazing guy. আমরা normally যখনই we come to Gotham's area, যেটা তুমি দেখতে পাচ্ছ, we always have from Gotham's, but একটা টাইমে হয়েছিল যে I came with my friends etc. and Gopal ran to us
and he somehow convinced us. এমন ভাবে গোপাল এসে আমাদেরকে বললো ওর চাইটা ট্রাই করতে, that me and my brother especially, we could not refuse. We tried it, and that was the best tea in this entire stretch. ঠিক আছে, so thanks to Gopal and M Enterprise. দেখি তো M Enterprise কোথায়? আচ্ছা এই দাঁড়া এইখানে, that is M Enterprise. So গৌতমজির দিকেই আছে, মানি স্কোয়ারের কাছে. গোপাল is always here. The tea is amazing. Tea, coffee both, but especially tea you should give it a try. ঠিক আছে, এবার আমি ভিডিওটা কমপ্লিট করে নিই. Thank you. Right, so like I was saying, so this is the video which I have shot using only the new iPhone 12 Pro Max without any microphone. So you guys tell me in the comment section how the audio was throughout, if there was any part of the video where you think the volume went down, if there's any part where you think the audio or the video, the visuals were a little blurry, etc. Give me the feedback. If it's good, I might just continue shooting more of these daily vlogs. First of all, let me know also how the daily vlogs went. We might do more of these and we might do more videos without the microphone. So yes, thank you so much for watching. If you're liking the videos which we're posting, do share it with your friends and family and do subscribe to the channel. And if you have any suggestions of places where you would want Food Spa to personally visit, myself to personally visit and try out the food over there as well, do let me know in the comment section. Do follow Food Spa on the other platforms like Instagram. We're there on Instagram. We are of course there on Facebook. I'm sure all of you know that already. And we also have a Food Spa vlog page on Facebook. So yes, until next time, this is myself, Shabaz, wrapping up from Kon area eta? Bypass. Cheers. Bye.